Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Gilang Aprilian, my student number 2019-05377. And then I wanted to show you about my paper presentation. The title of Student Perspective about the Correlation between Applied Norm and Unilever LGBTQ plus boycott. Next, introduction. At the end of the midterm of 2020, an immense boycott campaign emerged against a Dutch England multinational corporation, namely Unilever. This movement was spearheaded by significant rejection and inquiries that ensued because Unilever LGBTQ+ support campaign was officially announced. Therefore, some Indonesian people were indignant and quite surprised when noticed Unilever logo transforming its color into rainbow hues, the typical color of the community flag. Then, the opposition and affirmation parties emerged in Indonesian society. There are massive disturbance, violence, and radical rejection of Unilever property, despite its sovereignty and significance of the country household product market. On the other hand, the diversity of people, morality, and principles stimulate the world's cause, as well as criticism and responses to the boycott by the public, journalistic, and even business officials. After the authorized statement from Unilever was declared in media and the conflict subsided, it is still ambiguous why Unilever Indonesia committed to contradictory traits, supporting LGBTQ+ and upholding the religious culture and norm in Indonesia, and why the boycott was abruptly dismissed after the official announcement were confirmed. Next, there are two parties in Indonesia, opposition and affirmation. Research question. Do culture and norms as conveyed by Unilever official influence people's decision to act and think in the case? Next, KBBI. The boycott is interpreted as an act of conspiring to refuse to cooperate in trade affairs, negotiation, and so on. Batson, 1998. Boycott are committed as action that intended to benefit one more people other oneself behavior such as helping, comforting, sharing, and cooperation. And the last Hoffman, 2014. Boycotts can have negative influence on business because they are associated with sales figure, corporate reputation, and stock prices. Next, reasons for boycott. And the first, instrumental purpose, and the second, non-instrumental motivation, and the third, the aftermath engendered by the boycott in the perception that the more alternative, good quality property there are, the lower expense. And the last, moral reason. Most Indonesian society has always chosen a significant approach to counter deviant behavior that differs from accepted religious and social norms. Aulia Adam Tirto, 2020. The publicly see LGBT existence as a negative, abnormal, and wrong. This rejection and conception are based on religious belief embraced by most people in Indonesia, where Allah, the God of the Muslim, destroyed LGBT in the story of Prophet Lut, Quran Surah Al-Araf 18-18-2. Share reduction. Share of PT Unilever Indonesia Tbk UNVR shrank by 20.70% and at 9,000% in 2 days. In a week, UNVR shares have been minus 40.53%. And the last month, the share of this well-known consumer good producer in the country have been minus 1.85%. Tahir Saleh, CNBC Indonesia. Next, research methods. The study implemented phenomenological research to comprehend to the motive, get new insight into the boycott, accumulate the public perception, and then investigate the result further. This research was conducted by the researcher itself, a personal viewpoint that supported by the boycott credible website that also correlated to the phenomenon. To analyze its massive impact on LGBT, Unilever, and economical factor in Indonesia, the exclusivity in the subject area was meant to provide meaningful insight and substantial details. Online one-on-one conference in audio and text format is our preferred option to discover, to acquire response in the study. By that, the research could effortlessly get the crucial hints to inspect the phenomenon in greater depth. To achieve the subject involvement, I reached on my companions and arranged a one-on-one interview. After an agreement occurred, the topic that will be discussed in the meeting were prepared on this interview session. The researchers documented and reviewed the subject feedback. Next, findings. Our subjects show disagreement with the boycott and considered the social phenomenon as a ludicrous trend. Regardless, they believe that Indonesian foreign argument and controversy are reasonable owing to the culture and norm they embrace. According to Indonesian culture, norms, and most religions, it is extremely forbidden and dangerous for the social religious environment. It strongly influences how people think and act in this case because the majority of people will perform an action or reaction as a response when something does not conform with their applied norm or beliefs. It gives a massive reaction to the internet, social media, and day-to-day life. Even though some people consider the boycott as absolute nonsense, some of them still think that it is a self-defense action to conserve their norms. In conformity with the subject, the religion also prohibits the LGBTQ+ community and denotes their activity as an impermissible thing, and they also approve that most people they knew with similar belief also are fully despite them. They do it is a thing that people always do when they embrace and adapt to every conception that religion provides. Furthermore, we assume the boycott was considerably destructive for our nation. It withdrew some value of their stock, but it affected our people. People lost their occupation, earning an everyday necessity through the boycott. But ironically, most people do not understand the viewpoint Aulia Adam 2020. Discussion. Based on the European Journal of International Management Stephen Hoffman 2014, the number of customers who contribute to boycott has been intensifying during recent years. On the other hand, cultural boycotts have arisen since the beginning of 20th century. For example, in 24, 70 group launched the Palestine Campaign for the Academic and Cultural Boycott of Israel, PACBI, and Jensen 28. Observed that for religious purpose, Muslims agreed to boycott Danish commodities according to the Danish newspaper of the exposed portrait of Prophet Muhammad. Video Combs and Botera 2020 assumes that some substantial effective action that emerging during a crisis and a moral outrage, moral or the inner crucial role which navigate each individual attitude and manners through emotion and sentiment that allocate importance to an emergency or crisis. Society mindset. Society has a premature skepticism of LGBT as a contagious or infection disease. Some other informant observe LGBT as an aberration. It is considered threatening because it is associated with deviant sexual activities and it is illness it causes, i.e. HIV. Perry and Halkitis 2020. 2012. Either assumes LGBT as a social disease and extremely forbidden. Garrett 1987 pointed out 6 determinants for contribute in the boycott: customer comprehension, value of prospect per parties, consistency of the objective of the boycott with the behavior of partaker, causal participation, social tension, and credibility of the boycott leadership. The last conclusion. The boycott has given significant impact on Indonesia, economical and social aspect at the moment, albeit it categorized as a ludicrous thing to do. Most people still do, whether it's unfetched or not. Not the even that confess moral dilemma could lead people to function differently with their own cultural background and their sentimental value. Regarding to the infamous boycott, it could conducted to fulfill moral purpose. At this stage, cultural variable can affect the perception of the action and society, such as value, religion, norm, and acculturation. Okay, thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.